Welcome back. Have you ever felt that sudden panic when something scares you? Like your heart just jumps out of your chest and your whole body goes on high alert? That's not random. There's actually a lot happening inside your brain in that moment. Today we're talking about the science of fear. Why does your body react the way it does when you're scared? And what's really going on inside your head when danger shows up? Fear isn't just some feeling you get out of nowhere, it's actually your body's built-in protection system. Think of it like an alarm that's been keeping humans alive for thousands of years. Long before we had security cameras and locked doors, fear was the thing that kept our ancestors from getting eaten, and guess what? That same system is still running in you right now. So how does it actually work? Your brain has this incredibly smart setup that spots danger, sounds the alarm, and gets your whole body ready to react. And at the center of all of this is a tiny little part of your brain shaped like an almond. It's called the amygdala. Think of it as your brain's personal security guard. It never sleeps. It's constantly watching everything around you, scanning for anything that looks like a threat, and the wild part? Your amygdala figures out if something is dangerous before you even consciously realize what's happening. Your body is already reacting before your thinking brain has even caught up. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Your brain actually has two different ways it processes fear. Scientists call them the fast road and the slow road. The fast road is exactly what it sounds like. When something scary happens, your senses send that information straight to the amygdala almost instantly. No thinking involved, your body just reacts. That's why you jump at a loud noise before you even know what made the sound. That's the fast road doing its job. The slow road takes a little longer. Instead of going straight to the amygdala, the information goes to the front part of your brain, the part that actually thinks and reasons. This is where your brain slows down and asks, okay, is this actually dangerous or am I overreacting? That's the part of your brain that talks you down after you've already jumped out of your seat. Both roads matter. The fast road keeps you alive in the moment. The slow road stops you from living in panic forever. Now let's talk about what fear actually feels like in your body. When your brain sounds the alarm, your body goes into what's called fight, flight, or freeze mode. Your heart starts beating faster, your muscles tighten up, your breathing gets quicker, your senses sharpen. Everything in your body is getting ready to either face the threat or run from it. Some people freeze completely, that's also part of the response. What's fueling all of this? Stress hormones, specifically adrenaline and cortisol, these get released almost immediately when fear kicks in, and they basically rewire your body chemistry in seconds to give you the best chance of surviving whatever's in front of you. It's actually impressive when you think about it. Your body knows exactly what to do without you telling it anything. But here's the other side of this. That same system that protects you can also work against you. When fear doesn't switch off the way it should, you end up with anxiety. When it gets triggered by things that aren't actually dangerous, you end up with phobias. The difference between healthy fear and a fear disorder is basically whether your brain knows when to calm back down. That's where two other parts of your brain come in. The hippocampus is what stores your fear memories. It's the reason you're still scared of something that hurt you years ago. Your brain recorded it and kept it. And the prefrontal cortex, that thinking part we talked about earlier, is what helps regulate the fear. It's basically the part of your brain that says, yes, I know this is scary, but we are okay. So what's the big takeaway here? Fear is not your enemy. It's one of the most powerful tools your brain has. It was designed to protect you, to keep you sharp, and to help you make fast decisions when your life depends on it. The problem only comes when it runs out of control. Understanding how fear works in your brain is actually the first step to managing it better. Whether that's everyday anxiety, a specific phobia, or even just those jump scares in horror movies that get you every single time. Your brain is doing exactly what it was built to do. Now you just know why. If you found this video helpful, thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot. If this is the kind of content you want to see more of, please subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more coming that I think you're going to enjoy. See you in the next one.